this guy for real?
How do I pull this up now?
We're packing today, so let me show you what we're dealing with. There's a lot of mess, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so I started packing some of the things in those boxes. So like that is a box of knickknacks and things that don't fit anywhere else, and then that's my record player. Then we have all of these shoes. Some of the things are already in here. My sweatpants. I think majority of these boxes I'm gonna keep in the boxes. I just have to figure out how to do all of this. More books and things. Have to pack this entire desk space. There's also stuff in the drawers.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness.
I also have to take these pictures off the wall. So there's a lot. I am just gonna put you down and start packing, because otherwise I'm never gonna actually get it done. Okay, literally the saddest part.
Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
Okay, I never realized that taking off those like 3M sticker things could be so dangerous. I flicked myself so many times. It's actually painful.
Our bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
So like when the edges of a photo are either white or black, you know, and it's like a fade.
Oh. Yeah. What's that?
A rock?
Yeah. Oh, I know where it came from. Oh! It's too late.
What?
Maybe that's why it wouldn't shed. Should I bother?
I don't know.
Would you?
No.
No?
Maybe. Yes. I don't know.
I don't either. Fine. How do I pull this up now, though? Huh? What the heck? Take me back to zippers! Wait, Soy, how does this thing open?
You're just supposed to open it.
Okay, oh, thanks. Okay. That's it? Okay. That was easy.
Imagine if it exploded open.
It's fine, it's just clothes.
Should know better, 'cause you always do this to me. Do this to me.
Oh, you, I guess.
What? Okay, let's pull it out first. Wait, stop. I gotta tilt that way. Like this.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay.
Okay, we don't really need to lift it up. Do you think we can just like?
As long as the cardboard stays under.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, push. What?
This cardboard is not.
Why does the cardboard need to stay under?
Well, because otherwise we'll be dragging it on the floor.
There's not that many cardboards that need to. Okay, fine, we can lift. Okay, right? We're lifting? Or pushing? Well, we're pushing now. Okay, and push it more this way so that we can like. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay.
Wait, so like my fingers are underneath them.
You need to wait.
Wait. Oh.
Wait, I can't! My fingers! Okay, wait, my shoe. My shoe! I got it. Okay, how? Okay.
This thing is so dirty.
Let me take it out.
You gotta unscrew.
Oh.
No. Can't use a drill.
No, I think it's one of those, the Allen wrench.
Where is the Allen wrench?
Somewhere there.
In here? Oh, maybe it's this. Did I tell you? One time at the we needed to drill a hole. And Mike goes, what do I do if the drill bit is the wrong size? And I was like, change it. And he goes, okay.
How do I change it?
Yeah, how do I do that? And I was like, oh, you just twist the black bit and it loosens and you can pull it out. And he goes, okay, great, got it. Yep, I totally see what you're saying. So he takes it out, puts the new one in, and he goes, when I put the new one in, it's like too loose to stay in. And I was like, what do you mean? He was like, look, it's just falling out. And I was like, so you gotta spin it the other way now to tighten it. He was like, what? Oh. We and I were like like, is this guy for real? He's an engineer?
Okay, you unscrew and I'll bring it back. Okay, can you get a Ziploc bag and so that we can put the things inside so we know like where they're from?
Should know better, 'cause you always do this to me. But you start to play, later disbelieve, but I don't
I mean, this came apart pretty quick though.
Yeah.
Almost faster than putting it together.
Yeah, because we don't have to cover anything.
That's true.
really got me, really got me, really got me, really got me.
Are we sure we want this box in our lives?
It was free.
That's true.
Maybe pull that out.